Hi everybody, I'm here to talk to you today about our lift spacer kit for the Mark 1, Mark 2 Tiguan, also for your Mark 5 Golfs and anything VAG that shares that same platform. Now these are for the front and the rears. They give you a nice 1.5 inch lift because anything more than that will overextend your axle. It's a good amount of lift for if you want to adjust the aesthetic of a nice lifted vehicle. They're made by Powerflex, our good friends Powerflex out of polyurethane. They're a really strong, good bit of kit that our US office have proven time and time again that they're great for if you actually want to go overlanding, but also if you just want the aesthetic, then they are a lovely addition to rise the car and just give you a nice look. If you are overlanding it, then you need this kit. There's actually two of these in the kit. It's FMRSE, and this is the rear strut extender. You need this if you're actually overlanding, because if you reach a point where you reach excessive droop, then the shock is overextended. So this relocates the shock to stop that excessive droop and your shock overextending. So those two parts, this is FMRSE. The actual lift spacer kit is FMLFT5. Again, Mark 1, Mark 2 Tiguan, and for your Mark 5 Golfs. We do have a whole host of other lift kits for other applications, so please be sure to check them out on the Overland section of our website or just under the listing of your compatible vehicle. Thanks, have a good one.